Good morning. Today we have chosen the topic that is impact of AI on software jobs. So, according to me, I think there are both positive and negative impacts on software jobs in, uh, because of AI. So, coming to the positive impacts, I think AI really eases the human work. Like some repetitive works are done quickly through AI, so everything is automation nowadays. So
Yeah, I
there's
agree with you. Like with AI, we can reduce the manpower easily in the manufacturing department and making the companies make more profit from the limited resources using AI.
Yes, AI plays a major role in the technology. It improving our technology right now, and AI is just an assistant, not an a replacement for jobs.
Yeah, in this generation, AI is placed on top, where everybody are using AI instead of their jobs and their personal use, and also AI makes the people may lose the jobs too. Yeah,
By using AI, we can easily simplify our lifestyles.
Yes,
So
AI is faster growing nowadays. It is the main positive. Coming to the negatives, positives are more dominant.
yeah, and also in software industry, like the regular debugging and uh, testing make easy and giving the scope to developers, which way they focus on the problem solving and make the product even more better from the actual one.
yeah,
Yes, efficiency and accuracy is the matter nowadays for with using the AI.
yes. And apart from these positive impacts, I think there are some negative impacts too. Like
Yeah.
for freshers like us, it's very hard for. I mean, it's very hard to get into some software jobs. Like we have to cope with the current trends regarding AI.
yeah,
So we will get placed, or else there will be some recession. Uh, in my point of view, I think AI won't replace our jobs, but people who learn AI will replace our jobs.
Yeah, the
yes.
like the entry level jobs like tester and debugger, they all may lose their jobs. And if the entry level jobs may lose, but the new jobs like prompt engineering and AI engineering may grow rapidly. And
Yes,
if we get engaged with the new technologies in the current market, yes, we can survive the AI.
yes, we can survey the AI. We have to focus on that. We have to do collaborative work with the AI and the humans. Then we can get a better output.
Yes, I agree with you, Shidi, because most of the companies are looking for the projects to be more accurate and will be processed very fast. And so, with the help of the humans, so their lack of somehow they want to finish in time. So instead of AI, they can complete in on time and make their projects to faster.
And
Yeah,
Yes, I also agree with him. If we put some regulations of using AI, we can easily work with our projects. So it is not only impact our jobs, but we can increase our output by
yeah,
Yes,
productivity.
as in and the point and the line impacts of AI in the software jobs, not where resistance is happening. There are more dominant jobs are there.
Yes.
yes,
in my point of view, and we must make sure that we also use the AI in an ethical way, which in so many you by the evolution of AI, so many crimes has increased tremendously in the past 5 years, like
Yes.
morphing the like
Yes.
yeah,
cyber
Cyber,
crimes.
yeah.
cyber security.
Yeah, this is the generation where AI have very demand for the jobs, and yeah,
Yes, if you learn the AI skills, then the jobs also more are there. So we have to compare both positives and negatives.
yeah,
Negatives.
So we have to do collaborative work with it. Then we can get a good jobs and everything is better.
Yeah, I agree with
I
you.
also
Like in conclusion, we conclude that learning AI tools will help us get into the software jobs. So
Thank
that's
you.
job.
thank
Thank
you.
you.
thank you.
No, don't switch off the
Hello guys, I'm H3 Harishankar. Let's start our discussion about the impact of digital education in India.
So in recent years, the digital education was introduced in India. Basically, in COVID-19, there was a vast improvement in digital education. While there is no offline classes, so the schools and institutes are arranged digital educations. So there is a goods and bads also there. Uh, while the impacts of digital education, while the student have any health issues or also have any urgent importance works on the particular time, while they want to save that video and they want to play when they have in free time. So that is the good. And also bad thing, while they have so much of back pains and eyesights, there are also other distractions from mobiles and
And there is some advantages like in some areas like we we don't have mobile towers. They did not get the signals yet properly. At that time, they can't listen online classes, and they also miss some classes. So by missing their some classes, they can miss the syllabus and they may get some low marks. Like
Yes, guys, I will agree on both points, and also the digital media will impact on the whole education system. Also, recently the government of AP launched tabs to encourage the digital. This means the children they were learning by this stage how to manipulate these digital media and how to we can connect to the people in digital. This will also help us in group discussions and interviews also, and there are many learning platforms like Byju's and Vedantu. These learning platforms are give and provide the services to uh, people who are really want to like the particular courses.
and also this helps like now while professor is taking the classes, that means if you have any doubts, we are direct like we are asking the doubt in online. So by asking doubts like in online, we may practice interview. If a chair conducting online interview, we can we have already practiced in the online classes, so we can directly face the interview confidently. So this is a good impact on digital media.
While it shows a good impact in pandemic time, but it shows bad impacts also. Like we are distracting by using mobiles, and it is harmful because most of the students are getting eyesight and back pains because of this digital education. Um, it shows a good impact, like it improves English, as all the videos are playing in English language. Uh, it impacts on technology of India also, like it develops the electronic devices like mobiles, laptops, and etc.
Yeah, in some points, in some rural areas, no internet and no smartphones, and so many are not online classes. Particular area in some health problems and backbone
We have 30 seconds more.
A6, and so many members are so many people are some poor people and do not buy any smartphones and buy laptops, and some problems have there.
One of the main bad impact is the parents giving mobiles to the child, but they can't see whether those members are learning classes or playing the games.
You're supposed
On-
to conclude it now.
Online, they are entering to the class and playing the games.
We finally conclude the session. That means the digital media will affect the good impact and also bad impact.
Bad impact also.
So the government or any providers can educate them children how to use in good way, and they can provide security locks also to avoid the games and searching engines.
Yes, I agree with you.
Thank
Did
you.
you all talk all negative impacts of your
Yes.
discussion?
Yes.
Okay. So better bring real life examples you have brought, right? With loud voice, if you say that would be better.
Yeah,
Okay. good and used good phrases. You did not use much phrases in the discussion.
Thank you.
Fine.
Imagine a world where AI can fix itself, test itself, and a software can build itself. This is the new technology that is AI, wherein I feel there is no need of the job who can test or who can fix or who can write.
Yeah, yeah. AI is actually it is being a booming technology in this present scenario, wherein it is actually writing itself, yeah, and even giving solutions to everyone, doing everything what a human can do.
As
Yeah.
your point is right, AI is useful for humans very nicely, and it reduces the time for testing and debugging, and it gives all the information for us what we are giving the questions. It's most helpful for humans, I think.
Yes, they are useful for me also in reading, writing assignments and exams also. It useful for me.
Yeah, as a software engineer, so the jobs which are getting impacted because of AI is actually growing fastly. But in the present scenario, if we see the scenario wherein the in the training process, there is actually a generative AI course that is
Yes.
being trained nowadays.
Like as a-
Yeah. Rather than training on this coding languages and all, they are training on AI how to use it efficiently.
Yes, this is going to increase the productivity and also innovation, because we do have ideas but we don't know where and how to implement it these days, and even many software engineers are very worried about this point. So the innovation and the ideas that AI also adds to our point will give a great impact in the future.
Yes, I agree with your point. Present freshers, they have to learn AI and cloud and data analytics and data science so that they are useful. And if mixing of AI and humans gives a good success, not AI will not replace the humans. If AI and humans will mix and do the work, will the society will grow faster and give good product.
But AI is come, software jobs are removing so many, and impact on software engineers, impacts on software engineers only. The productivity is increasing, but man work is
Yeah, I do
decreases.
agree with your point that man work is getting decreased. But even though many jobs are being created to run to who knows how to run AI, how to train the machines and all. This is going to be the jobs are going to be created as well as the jobs are going to be removed also.
As the simple jobs will be removed, but if the persons learn more knowledge from the AI and all the data science analysts, so that the humans will like will train the machines so that more effective knowledge will gain.
And
And
yes, yeah,
your time
I
is
got
up.
your
It
point.
is time to wrap it up.
Wherein the AI is actually actually filling the gap between the
Yes.
real world and also to the missions, that they can see the real world where the missions are actually interacting with humans nowadays.
Yes, you're right. Yes. That's my point. You catch it very nicely.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. So today we are discussing about the impact of artificial intelligence on software jobs. So the AI is a fastest technology and it changes the way of industries and educational work.
Yeah, that's a great topic. In my opinion, AI will not replace the software jobs completely, but it changes a role in the industry.
So yeah, what I think is AI is not transforming. It's not eliminating. It's just a transforming. So for example, all members said that TCS company just uh, thrown some 2,000 people without jobs. So what I think is they are just searching for new opportunities and giving new roles. Like nowadays, these platforms need data analysts and cloud experts. So I think AI is not replacing a job.
Yeah, in that TCS company, they skilled. I mean, they trained the people for the AI, but they don't succeed in that. So in that way, they replaced them with others employees.
Yeah, it plays a major role because if we see, for example, now if we do a call for anyone, if they are speaking to someone else, before they used to speak like a human used to speak that they are in the another call or like that. Nowadays, AI took that place and it's saying that they're on the another call like that. Some places it just replaces, but not all.
Yeah, at the same time, the AI replaces some jobs like entry and testing jobs and debugging. So it is like a routine tasks. So it will be by using AI, it will be fast and accuracy. So it replacing some routine jobs.
Yeah,
You have
that
last one
means
minute. Please wrap.
yeah, that means it just replaced boring jobs like data analyst, that feeds the data in some computer or like that.
Yeah, at the same time, so some of the employers are fear for the job losses. So they fear if we enter that they already replace us. So for that the employees has to skill it in the AI fields.
Personally, I feel that we should take AI as collaborator, not as competitor. So as we have to improve our skills with new skills based on the AI, so we must take AI as collaborator.
Yeah, in my opinion, I think that as a human brain, we can't just store a million of data. And comparing to AI, can do a million data. It can store. So what I think is, yeah,
Yeah, it makes some what is that? It helps us in some areas, and oh, yeah, it may be a pro for someone, it may be a con for someone. That's the thing.
Yes, AI also makes humans over dependence, leading to does not participate in core tasks like testing and coding.
Yeah, it summarize AI replacing some routine jobs, not the major ones, and it also giving like some high level jobs also like data science and machine learning jobs. So we treat the AI like a skilled one. Means we have to skill in that, but not seeing like a threat.
Yes.
Yeah, overall, what I think is AI is transforming but not eliminating. Thank you.